Welcome, my friends, to your favorite channel. Get long life. In this video, we will talk about a group of wonderful fruits that have a positive effect on blood cells and contribute to maintaining youth and health. Let's get started. The scientific explanation. Before we go over these fruits, let's take a quick look at the science behind the renewal of blood cells and their effect on the aging process. Periodic renewal of blood cells is an important factor in keeping the body young and healthy. Here comes the role of fruits that contain beneficial compounds to enhance this process. List of fruits. 1. Raspberry. We start with raspberries, which are rich in antioxidants such as anthocyanins that help stimulate the renewal of blood cells and contribute to protecting the body from the effects of oxidative stress. 2. Grapes. Then there are grapes, which contain compounds called polyphenol that promote heart health and contribute to the regeneration of red cells. 3. Watermelon. Watermelon is a fruit full of water and antioxidants, and it also contains a compound called citrulline, which is useful for stimulating blood flow and improving cell function. 4. Kiwi. Kiwi is an excellent source of vitamin C and antioxidants, and these components promote cell regeneration and strengthen the immune system. 5. Avocado. We can't forget about avocados, which contain healthy fats and compounds that contribute to the renewal of blood stem cells. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit, also known as cactus or prickly cactus, is an exotic-looking fruit with a high nutritional value. And now we look at the benefits of these fruits in detail. Benefits of raspberry. Raspberries, blueberries, are small fruits that are rich in nutrients and plant compounds that are good for health. Here are some of the benefits of raspberries. Rich in antioxidants, raspberries are a rich source of antioxidants such as anthocyanins and quercetin. These compounds help fight free radicals and reduce the harmful effects of oxidative stress on the body. Supporting heart health. Thanks to the antioxidants and fiber found in raspberries, it is believed that eating raspberries can contribute to strengthening the heart and blood vessels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Boosting the health of the immune system, raspberries contain vitamin C and antioxidants, and these components enhance the health of the immune system and strengthen it to fight infections and diseases. Digestive health support. Raspberries contain a good amount of fiber, and this can help promote digestion and improve bowel movements. Improving brain function. Some studies indicate that the antioxidants in raspberries may contribute to improving brain function and memory. Supporting vision health. Raspberries contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are antioxidants that contribute to eye health and vision. Regulating blood sugar levels. Raspberries can contribute to regulating blood sugar levels and reducing their fluctuations, which benefits people with diabetes. Supporting healthy skin. The antioxidants and vitamins in raspberries are believed to contribute to maintaining healthy skin and delaying the signs of aging. Contribute to weight management. Due to its low calories and high fiber content, raspberries can contribute to keeping you feeling full for longer and helping you manage your weight. Supporting youth and cellular regeneration. Because it contains antioxidants, raspberries can contribute to maintaining youthful skin and rejuvenating body cells. Remember that eating raspberries as part of a balanced diet can contribute to your health benefits. The benefits of grapes. Grapes are a delicious and nutritious fruit with many health benefits. Here are some benefits of grapes. A rich source of antioxidants. Grapes contain antioxidants such as resveratrol and quercetin, and these compounds contribute to fighting free radicals and reducing the harmful effects of oxidation on the body. Heart health support. The resveratrol in grapes can help improve cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Strengthening the immune system. Grapes contain vitamin C and other antioxidants that boost the health of the immune system and strengthen it to fight infection. Improving the health of the digestive system. The fiber in grapes contributes to improving the functions of the digestive system and promotes bowel movement. Digestive support. Grapes contain the enzyme papain. This enzyme can help improve protein digestion and facilitate digestion. Strengthening bones. Grapes contain boron, a mineral that can contribute to strengthening and maintaining healthy bones. Improve skin health. Vitamin C and antioxidants in grapes contribute to improving skin health and delaying the appearance of signs of aging. Brain health. Grapes contain compounds such as resveratrol that are believed to improve brain function and memory. Source of energy. Grapes contain carbohydrates and natural sugar, which is a good source of energy. Supporting eye health. Grapes contain antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and vision preservation. Remember to eat grapes as part of a balanced diet and enjoy their health benefits in moderation. The benefits of watermelon. Watermelon is a delicious and refreshing watery fruit, which is well known for its health-benefiting properties. Here are some benefits of watermelon. Hydration of the body. The high percentage of water in watermelon makes it an excellent fruit for hydrating the body and filling fluid needs, and this promotes digestion and the health of the digestive system. Source of vitamins and minerals. Watermelon contains vitamin C and vitamin A, which are essential for healthy skin and eyes, in addition to other components such as vitamin B6, potassium, and magnesium. Antioxidants. Watermelon contains antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce the harmful effects of oxidation on the body. Heart health support. Watermelon's potassium content can help improve blood pressure and cardiovascular health. Immune system support. Vitamin C found in L.A.